Alright guys, want to access keyboard settings on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to customize your keyboard. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and adjust everything easily without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.